Just about to install these RTR ones right here. First thing, about to lift up the car. Put the jack sounds on, because you can't just put it on with that. It's in the way. So, I'll get you guys. And you got to take off all these clips. All these ones right here, look. It's a little special tool. Just take it off. Just like that. The whole clip will come off. And just do that for all of them on both sides. Alright, next step we about to drill right here. We marked it, we put the thing, we just made a little pre-cut hole, so we're gonna cut it with the little Dremel. Try to make it If you had the right drill bit, but we don't have it, so we're using a Dremel. Just stick it through there, just like that. Up here, it's like a two-man job. It's easier. He holds it. I put the clips in here. And you just align it right there, and then you put the clip. There you go. Yeah, it's good. So we're just about to put this one right here. I got the drill bit on that side. And then just tighten it up. Try to go straight. We should be good. Just like that. We got it on. Now he's just tightening it up to 10 torques. 10 pounds of torque. And then we should be good. Fresh. RTR lift. Way up.